Hello everyone, teacher Andy with another online maths lesson. Today we will learn all about prime factoring. Prime factoring, teacher, what is that? I will tell you in a moment, but before we learn about prime factoring, let's refresh our memories what factoring is. Now, if you can remember, factoring is when we are given an answer and we have to find the question. For example, the answer is 10. What is the question, or what is the equation? Can you figure it out? In this case, if you said 2 times 5, you are correct. Well done. If you said something different, maybe you need to go back and watch the video on factoring. I think lesson 1, factoring. If you have not watched the video, please do before you watch this lesson. Okay, so what is prime factoring? Prime factoring is when you factor a number to its lowest factor, In other words, when a number cannot be factored anymore. I can see you're still confused. Don't worry. Before we go on, what is a prime number? Well, prime numbers, if you remember from the last lesson, prime numbers are numbers that can be factored by 1 and themselves. So a prime number is a number that can be factored by 1 and itself only. Okay? No other. It cannot be factored by any other numbers. Only 1 and itself. Now, these are all prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. But there are an infinite number of prime numbers. An infinite number. But really, we are concerned about the lower numbers. And in particular, we are concerned about 2, 3, and 5. Why? Because they are the lowest prime numbers. And if you remember, prime factoring is about factoring a number to its lowest factor. Can you get lower than 2, 3, and 5? Can you? No, of course not. But that is not to say that we will not encounter other prime numbers. But mainly, we are concerned about 2, 3, and 5, certainly for this lesson. Okay, so let's do an example. Number 8. We need to find the prime factors for number 8. So 8 is the answer. Now we have to find the prime factors. 8 is an even number. We must first divide by 2. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So the equation is 2 times 4. Now 2 is a prime number. Is 4 a prime number? Is 4? Was it on the previous slide? No. 4 is a composite number. So what do we do now, teacher? Well, we now have 4 as the answer, and we need to find the prime factors of 4. We need to factor 4. So again, we divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So the equation is 2 times 2 equals 4. Yes? Do you agree? I hope so. So 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. So what do we have? Before we do that, very important. We always use the lowest prime number. Always use the lowest prime number when we are factoring. So if it's 8, we must divide by 2. Any even number, we must divide by 2. So the answer for 8, the prime factors are 8, are 2 times 2 times 2. Teacher, I still don't understand. Example 2. Find the prime factors for 12. So 12 is the answer. 12 is an even number. So what do we divide by? The lowest prime number, which is 2. 12 divided by 2 equals, I hope you said 6. It's 2 a prime number, of course, teacher. So we circle it, or we box it in. I box it in. Is 6 a prime number? No, teacher, it is a composite number. It is a composite number. Composite numbers can be divided by more than 2 numbers. More than 2 numbers. So 6 now becomes the answer. The factors of 6. Again, 6 is an even number, so we divide by 2. Divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals, I hope you said 3, so the equation is 2 times 3. Now we know 2 is a prime number. Is 3 a prime number? Yes? Yes, of course. It can only be divided by 1 and itself, so it is a prime number. So the prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. Do you agree? Yes? Now, students, it looks very good, but there is a better way to do the maths, to write the maths. So we will do exactly the same example, but we will do it the better way. I would call this the better way. So 12 divided by 2, we've already said, equals 2 times 6. Now we circle or box in the prime number 2. Now we know that 6 is a composite number. So what we do now is we draw 2 little lines and we divide 6 by 2 to give us the equation. 2 times 3. Circle the prime numbers like that, and it gives us the answer of, where is my answer gone? 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3. I'm sure you'll agree this looks better than writing out the full equation each time. Okay, so this is the way we factor numbers, prime factor numbers. Now, one more time, I will remind you, if the number is even, always divide by 2. Okay, any even number, we must divide by 2. It's a golden rule. Absolutely. Always divide by 2. Okay, let's do some more examples. Oh, another example. We need to find the prime factors of 18. So 18 is the answer. 18 is an even number, so we divide by 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So the equation is 2 times 9. We know 2 is a prime number. It's the lowest prime number. How about 9? Is 9 a prime number? No, 9 is a composite number. So we draw two little lines, and we now need to find the prime factors of 9. Now, 9 is an odd number, so it cannot be divided by 2. So we try the next lowest. Next lowest is 3. 9 divided by 3. Yes, it works. What is the answer? It's 3. So the equation is 3 times 3. Now, is 3 a prime number? Yes, it is. So we circle 3, both 3's, or box in both 3's. And the answer for the prime factors of 18 are 2 times 3 times 3. Got it? Yes? Now your go. Oh, sorry, it's another example. It's another example. I forgot how many examples I did. We've got to find the prime factors for 28. Prime factors for 28. 28, of course, is an even number. So 28 divided by 2. 28 divided by 2. What's the answer? 14. So the equation is 2 times 14. We circle 2 because it is a prime number. Is 14 a prime number? No, of course not. Prime is an even number, so we must divide by 2 again. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So the equation is 2 times 7. We know 2 is a prime number. How about 7? 7 a prime number? What do you think? Prime or composite? 7 is a prime number. It can only be divided by 1 and itself. So the equation, we've got, where's my mouse cursor? We've got 2 times 2 times 7. The equation is 2 times 2 times 7 equals 28. Got it? Yes? Example 5. How about 37? Now, 37 is an odd number. Yes? Agree? Cannot be divided by 2. Can it be divided by 3? No, it cannot be divided by 3 either. How about 4? Sorry, not 4. How about 5? 4 is an even number. How about 5? No, it cannot be divided by 5. 37 is in fact a prime number, and it cannot be factored. Okay, so if you're asked to find the prime number, the prime factors of 37, it cannot be done. 37 is a prime number and cannot be factored. Example 6, 32. 32. 32 is an even number, so we divide by 2. 32 divided by 2 equals 16. Yes, 16. Very good. So the equation is 2 times 16. 2 is a prime number. How about 16? 16 is a composite number. So we divide 16 by 2. What is 16 divided by 2? 8. So the equation is 2 times 8. 2 is a prime number, so we circle it. How about 8? 8 is a composite number, so we have to divide by 2 again. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. 4. So the equation is 2 times 4. Oh my gosh, teacher. Here we go. 4 is a composite number, so we must again divide by 2. And the equation, of course, is 2 times 2. So what are the prime factors of 32? It is, here we go, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Wow, so complicated. What if it was a very big number? So what we do here, we count the 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Agree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we do is we say 38 to the power, to the power of, 38 equals 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5. So when we do the power, we count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write the equation simply as 38 equals 2 to the power of 5. Understand? Now you try. Now you try. I would like you to please find the prime factors for 16. If you could like to please pause the video now and do the maths. Okay? Pause the video now and then click play when you have finished. Okay, so we divide 16 by 2 and it gives us 2 times 8. Then we divide 8 by 2 and it gives us the equation of 2 times 4. And we divide 4 by 2 to give us an equation of 2 times 2. Gives us an answer of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now, let's simplify it. 18 equals 2 to the power of what? 2 to the power of what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 2 to the power of 4. Got it? Yes? Did you get that one correct? Yes? Good. We'll do another question. Please now find the prime factors of 24. Please pause the video now and click play when you have finished. Okay, so first of all, we must, of course, divide 24 by 2, which gives the equation of 2 times 12. 2 is a prime number, 12 is a composite number. So we divide 12 by 2, gives us 2 times 6. 2 is a prime number, so we circle it. We now need to divide 6 by 2, gives us 2 times 3. Yes, agreed? So the answer is, of course, 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Let's simplify it. So 24 equals 2 times 3. Now, what we need to put the power in. So it's 2 to the power of what? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 2 to the power of 3 times 3. Got it? Yeah? I'm not sure. Number 3. Please prime factor 27. Please pause the video now and click play when you have finished. Okay, so 27 is an even number. Sorry, it's an odd number, so we cannot divide by 2. So instead we divide by 3 and it gives us the equation of 3 times 9. Now we know 3 is a prime number, 9 is a composite number. So 9 again is an odd number, so we must divide first of all by 3, and of course 3 into 3 goes 3, so the equation is 3 times 3. 3 and 3 are all prime numbers, so the answer is 27 equals 3 times 3 times 3. Let's simplify it. 27 equals 3 to the power of 3 to the power of what? Where's my cursor? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 to the power of 3. Okay, number 4. 23. Please find the prime factors of 23. Pause the video now and then click play when you have finished. Okay, 23. It's an odd number, so we cannot divide by 2. How about 3? Will 3's go into 23? No. How about 5? 5's into 23? No. 7? No. 9? No. 23 is one of these numbers that cannot be factored. Why? Because it is a prime number. 23 can only be divided by 1 and itself, and therefore cannot be factored. Okay, number 5, 40. Please find the prime factors for 40. Please pause the video now and click play when you have finished. Okay, students. Okay, so 40 is a even number, so we must divide by 2. Gives us 20. So the equation is 2 times 20. 2 is a prime number. 20 is not. 20 is a composite number. So again, we must divide by 2. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. The equation is 2 times 10. 2 is a prime number. 10 is not. 10 is a composite number. So we must divide by 2 again. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. The equation is 2 times 5. 2 is the prime number. How about 5? Is 5 a prime number or composite? 5 can only be divided by 1 and itself, so it is a prime number. So the equation is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. How do we simplify it? It is 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3 times 5. 2 to the power of 3 times 5. Okay, students. What is the point of prime factoring? What is the point of prime factoring? All this maths, and why do we need to know this? What is the point? Well, prime factoring is used to reduce fractions. But fractions are another lesson. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. Please watch the lesson on fractions, and then everything will be understood. But I hope so. I hope so. So until next time, students, thank you very much for watching. And please, if you like the video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.